Yo, what up? It's Automotive World here, and today we're going to be learning how to clean your AC vents and your AC evaporator. Alright guys, so today we're working with a 2002 Nissan Frontier, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know to be able to clean your AC vents and your AC evaporator. So we are going to start with the evaporator, which is the first step in this process. And the evaporator is usually located on the passenger side of the vehicle behind the glove box, but we're not going to spray it through there unless you have a cabin air filter that you can remove. But in this case, this Nissan Frontier does not have a cabin air filter. Some different models did have, but this one specifically, the XE, did not. So with that in mind, we're going to locate the evaporator drain tube, which then we're going to insert this one through there to clean it all up. So this is the evaporator cleaner right here, and this is the tubing that's going to go inside the evaporator drain tube, which we're going to locate on the bottom of the vehicle. Alright, so to easily locate your evaporator tube, all you need to do is turn on your engine, turn on your AC, and you want to turn off your circulating mode. So right there is fine, and that'll bring fresh air in through the outside vents inside the car. And with your engine on, we're gonna go to the passenger side and we're gonna look underneath. You should see some drops of water coming out, and that is where your drain tube is going to be located. And with a little bit of time passed, the car is now dripping water, and that's where your evaporator tube is located. You can see right up. Now we're gonna turn off the engine to be able to spray the evaporator cleaner in there. Alright guys, so you're gonna have to insert the tube through that tube right there. As you can see where it's dripping from. Alright guys, so as you can see, I put the tube in there. And now when you're ready, you can spray the foam. Make sure it seats well. Hey, that's my dog right there. And then just open the cap. I already took off the cap. And then just press, just shake it a little bit, and then you should be able to push it in there. You want to finish the can, and then you're going to let it run for about 10 to 15 minutes, and you want to turn on the fan. So right there, it looks like it's about done. Shake a little bit more. We got more in there. You want to get it as clean as possible, that way you don't have any bacteria running through your vents. especially when you don't have a cabin air filter. The manufacturer didn't put one in there. That's gonna be it right there. So now you want to remove the tube, turn on the engine, and let it run for about 10 to 15 minutes with the fan on, the AC on. That way it can push all that foam through the evaporator and clean it. So turn on the engine, turn on the fan, the AC, and then remember to remove the recirculating mode, and you should start to smell the cleaner through the vents. Make sure your windows are open and your doors are open. Also, when you're removing that tube down there, watch out for your eyes, because a lot of fluid is going to come down, and in the meantime you can spray the AC vent cleaner through the vents outside. So now spray your AC vent cleaner through your outside vents. Make sure it is being absorbed in. If not, you still have your recirculating mode on. Make sure you take it off, it's very important. If not, none of the cleaner is going to go through your vents. Make sure you do it on the other side as well. Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of the video. After that, you're just going to let the car run for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure that the windows and the doors are open. Don't go inside the vehicle yet. Let it circulate, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching. This is Automotive World.